Okay. Hello, my name is Jaakko, and I'm a member of the CityInBloom project, and part of the hackathon, Hack for Good, over here in Madrid. And we did this CityInBloom project, and the members of our team are, as I said, me, Jaakko, and then we have Carlos Company, Luis Jimenez, and Diego Guerrero. And we have the second slide. So basically what we want to do is to empower people to start their own urban gardens. Basically what we want to do is to help people so that they can grow and produce locally produced food, and thus able to reduce the carbon dioxide emissions and also the use of fertilizers, and also to help these communities to find other communities like there's communities that they share common values, and helping people to have a real personal impact on this fight for climate change. And oh yeah, okay. And what else? So basically, it's what we are planning to do here is to create this kind of a social tool where you can add your information about your urban garden, and add information over there and say what you're producing and whether you have maybe excess production of certain vegetables or fruits that you might want to give out to your community, or if you're asking, or you might be producing something and but you don't have, for example, some other vegetables or fruits, so you could ask if somebody would want to change those vegetables or products with your products. So it's this kind of a social network for people with green thumb. And maybe we should go to the next slide. Yeah, as I said, a social tool to help people connect and share ideas and resources to grow locally produced food. And this is our homepage. It's a really cool looking site. The backend was we made using Django, and then we used PostgreSQL using PostGIS framework, to handle all these maps and stuff like that. And if we go to the next slide. So basically, this is a page to search products. So let's say that you're a user and you might be looking for tomatoes or something like that. You can use this search page to find gardens that are producing tomatoes. Unfortunately, forgot to add CSS part. So it's kind of, well, it's pretty blank. Let's put it that way. But anyway, it works. And then we have this possibility also to add your own garden over here. So you just go to that page, pinpoint on the map, add a little bit of information on your about your garden, and then you submit it, and then that's there. And then the second one, and then obviously you can search for gardens in different areas. So over here we have the gardens around Madrid area, and then you click on them, and then you can go see the details of that particular garden. And basically, so what I said, so users can add their gardens to the service, and they can search for other gardens, and these gardens can list their products, what they have in excess, what they might not be using and might want to give to the communities. And then, if they also might be in need of certain products, so they can ask them, like, hey, we want some, I don't know, grapefruits or something like that. And then, obviously, you have also a messaging platform between different gardens. And then, we have this, as we saw, we have this search functionality also on the web page. And so the next steps would be then to finish the application. So that's, I think that's a really straightforward answer to this complex question. And we actually have a screencast of this web page working, but I'm not sure if we were able to show that.
¿Dónde está el ratón? Ahora iba.
Y ponlo ahí al principio abajo.
Para dar el principio.
Okay.
Barra espaciadora para parar.
Ahora.
So this is a screencast of the page in action. So you search for Madrid, then you get the gardens, click on them, you see what they have in offer, or what they have in excess, and what they might be needing. And then you create gardens, just click where your garden is. Obviously you can use a more detailed view, and so you can really point where it is. You can search for products. We forgot to add CSS. So over there have tomatoes, and then you can see the details, blah blah blah. So that kind of page, and as I said, then the next ambitious step is to finish